Hi, welcome to ReliaMaint Services channel. Here we will see how to add a maintenance team member, schedule their shifts, mark their attendance, work allocation to respective work orders, and workload view on calendar. Let's add a new team member and you will find it so easy. Now we shall schedule their shift and weekly holiday. The shift schedule can be seen in calendar view. Now we shall assign the team member for a given work order. Before assignment it is to be checked if the person is having the right shift and not assigned to any other work. The start time and end time shall be with shift timing. These fields will not take any time before or after shift start time and shift end time respectively. If user try to assign a person at time when he or she already assigned for, system will show error. Here user can refer their respective availability calendar and select the free slot. When selected a free or unassigned time, system will save it. The assignment also can be removed when not required by delete button. All assigned teamwork can be seen in one calendar view. Thanks for being with us. Keep visiting for more interesting details.